Hello! Today, maths, we're doing geometry. We're looking at angles. Firstly, this is not an angle. This is an angle. Angel is EL, angle is LE. An angle is made when a line segment, like line segment JK, or a ray, like ray MJ, join up together. It might look like this. The angle is the bit where the two lines touch each other. This bit here. We measure how far this line segment has turned away from this ray. So we imagine that it started together and then it moved away. This one I'll do with a little square because I can tell that this is a 90-degree angle. We label angles with a lowercase letter. We'll call this guy angle X. And angle X is 90 degrees. He's a right angle. Now we have a ray going this way and a line segment down here. Now they're closer together now, aren't they? Let's measure how far ray DE has turned away. It's turned away just a little bit. Oh, it's turned away just a little bit. Only turned a little bit. That's so cute. We call this kind of angle an acute angle. Let's call this acute angle angle Y, and we use lowercase letters to label the angles. This is angle Y, and it is acute. Ooh, this one has a very wide turn. This wide turn is called an obtuse angle, an obtuse angle. And let's call this obtuse angle angle Z. How curious. This one is either measured as a very wide turn, if it started there, or if we wanted to measure this one, it would be a little cute angle in here because it's quite small. It's an acute angle. But I'm going to pretend to measure the outside that went all the way around, and it went more than a straight line. Ones that go more than a straight line are called a reflex angle. Let's call this reflex angle reflex angle W. Remember that angles are labeled with lowercase letters, but points are labeled with uppercase letters. This line segment would be called line segment MB. This ray would be called ray MW. BMW, get it? Over here, my reflex angle is W. We record the measure of an acute angle like X with degrees. It's a little circle that hovers up high like an apostrophe. This angle is 45 degrees. This right angle is 90 degrees. This obtuse angle is 135 degrees because it has turned 90 degrees, which is a right angle, and 45 more degrees. That's 135 degrees. This is an obtuse angel named X. This is an obtuse angle named X. This is acute angel Y. This is acute angle Y. This is an angel who's always right. This is an angle that is right. So, in summary, angles are a measure of something that turns or opens, and that angle is measured in degrees. It could be an acute angle that's close together, less than 90 degrees. It could be 90 degrees. That is called a right angle. Wider than 90 degrees, that's called a obtuse angle. Wider than a straight line, that is called a reflex angle. And if it turns all the way around, that is a full turn, which is called 360 degrees. We record and name angles as lowercase letters, and remember, we label line segments, lines, and rays with points that have uppercase letters.